it's Kumi and welcome to my YouTube channel. I actually just say that, oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. Like, I'm honestly so proud of myself that I can bring out my camera and say welcome to my YouTube channel. Like, it's so unreal for me because I've been wanting to do this for like a very long time, but here we are. Okay, so before I actually started this video, I've actually been here for like 40 minutes, if I'm not even exaggerating, trying to find the perfect way to start, but I guess there's no right way, you just have to do it. This is literally my first video. Like, I just need this encouragement. Thank you. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. So, first of all, I'm going to be doing a little bit of introduction before we get into the video. Yeah. Please, if this video is kind of like not so clean and I'm still trying to figure out how to work on this. So the sun just went down and it's giving me this feeling that I don't like, but nothing is going to stop me from shooting this video today. Yeah, that's the vibe. Clock it. Anyway, so I'm going to be doing like a little bit of introduction of what I want to be doing on this account. Is it account? No, on this channel. Okay, this little space. Yeah, I'm going to be doing basically everything beauty, like hairstyling, anything makeup. I'm also going to be doing fashion illustration, sketches, sewing videos. I just want it to be like a mix of my personality all together, like everything I love to do basically. So yeah, I feel like you're going to really enjoy it. I don't know, but even if you're not interested in sewing and all of that, but please just try and support me. I don't know, it will really mean a lot to me. Like, I'll feel so happy if I post this video and it actually does well. Like, I'm going to do a special appreciation video for each of you and kneel down and thank you so much for engaging. I don't think I really emphasize more on the fashion thing, but yeah, I really like to do it. I'm not really perfect or good like that, but that's even part of the reason why I'm creating this channel, so that I can try to sew things, share it out there. People too might be inspired by me and just to improve on myself. So yeah. So anything I do and it's not really perfect, just take it like that, because I'm just doing things based on what I know. So yeah, I also do fashion illustration. I sketch. I love to sketch. Like, in fact, I'm going to do like an actual proper introduction, like about myself, in another video. But this one, I actually just want to brief what I'll be doing and get right into the video so that you guys will not be too bored or feel like, oh, this girl is just talking too much, because I love talking. So if you want to see me talk, like anything, just tell me. Like, I don't mind anything for you guys. Like, for someone to even tune in and watch me, thank you. Thank you so much. Like, I feel so happy. I'm going to even be putting some of my sketches, like some of the things that I've actually sketched before, and the ones that I'm, trying to do. I'll just basically explain everything deep later. If you get what I'm saying, because I've been trying to learn how to sketch, doing more and more for myself. Okay, let me not talk too much. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating a backless bustier top with African print. Let me bring out the things that I'm going to be using for. Be right back. Okay, so this is everything I'm going to be using. I need 1 yard of African print. I'm also going to be using this education because I'm actually supposed to use a brown paper, but I don't have it right now, so I can really improvise with this, right? I'm going to be using a ruler. I don't know what this ruler is called. I've forgotten the name. A scissors and this pad for ironing the bustier part. I'm also going to be needing a lining, stay, and some other things, but I'm actually going to get in now, or I look for something that can work with, inside. To be fair, this top is actually the most basic type of top, very simple. I'm going to be putting the pictures of how it looks like. I know it's very simple, but I just want to use it to start. Like, I want to see if this YouTube thing is actually, oh, you guys, I also just found out that the position of the camera was not staying well enough. I don't even know if this one is the wrong one or that one was the right one, or oh my goodness. And I also found out that the microphone was not connected at some parts. That's why I'm like recording again. Anyway, this is your sign to please engage and support me so that I don't crash out. Let's get right into pattern drafting. Yeah, so I'm going to be like showing you how I'm drafting the whole thing, and yeah, please tune in. Okay, sorry, before I go, you guys should look at my braids. Do I look good? Like, this is my first time on blonde braids actually, and I really like it. Like, I'm so, let me show you very well. It's so long and like I feel like a princess. It's so nice. Tell me it's nice. If you think it's nice actually. Yeah, thank you. So now I just attached two of the eye education and that should work. So I'll just start cutting now. But now I think there's a little problem. I don't know how I want to film for YouTube and also film for TikTok. Now that I know that TikTok has to be portrait and YouTube is like in landscape, I'm still figuring that out. Anyways, when I figure it out, I'll just, get back to everything. Yeah, just wanted to update you all. This is where we are now, making progress. I just finished drafting out the pattern for the front part. I'm going to do the back part now. This is literally like 2 weeks after filming the first part. But this is what we have. Is it showing? Okay, let me come up. I think I really like it. Very cutesy, very simple, and yeah, it is like very snatched up. Okay, so now that I know how to make a bustier top, I'll be able to incorporate it in like a gown or something else since I already have the pattern like that I drafted. Even if it took so much time, I was still able to do something. This is how the back looked like, and it was actually very firm like that because of the pattern drafting and all of that. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.